Here is a summary of the world's top headlines for Friday, January 23, 2026. 1. Global diplomacy and the Board of Peace. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, US President Donald Trump has officially launched the Board of Peace, a new international body aimed at resolving global conflicts. Key members, founding nations include Argentina, Egypt, Pakistan, UAE, and Vietnam. Controversy. The inclusion of Pakistan has reportedly drawn strong objections from Israel. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin has suggested that Russia could contribute $1 billion from frozen assets to support the board's Gaza ceasefire plan. Greenland update. Tensions have eased slightly as Trump ruled out using force to seize the territory, though he maintains that a future deal framework is still being negotiated with Denmark. 2. War and conflict updates. Ukraine-Russia negotiations. President Zelensky has announced a significant trilateral meeting between the US, Russia, and Ukraine starting tomorrow. He indicated that peace documents are nearly ready, though he remains critical of Europe's lost response to shifting American foreign policy. Syria. A fragile ceasefire in northeastern Syria is under immense pressure as the 4-day deadline expires. Reports indicate that over 100 ISIS fighters may have escaped from Shadadi prison amid recent clashes. India-Croatia friction. India has formally condemned an act of vandalism and trespassing at its embassy in Zagreb, Croatia, blaming anti-India elements for the incident. 3. Sports and entertainment. T20 World Cup crisis. The Bangladesh Cricket Board has officially announced it will not travel to India for the upcoming T20 World Cup due to security concerns. The ICC has warned that Scotland will be brought in as a replacement if the boycott stands. Australian Open Day 6 is underway in Melbourne. Controversy is swirling around Naomi Osaka following a debate over court etiquette, while former finalist Stefanos Tsitsipas has been eliminated following a foot injury sustained off the court. IPL news. Business tycoon Adar Poonawalla has announced a strong and competitive bid to acquire the Royal Challengers Bengaluru (RCB) as the ownership transfer gains momentum. 4. Tech and environment. AI regulation. South Korea has made history today by implementing the world's first comprehensive law to regulate artificial intelligence, with strict penalties for deepfake-related crimes. Environmental crisis. In India, the Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for heavy snow and storms across the Himalayas, while the centre has approved the felling of over 17,000 trees for infrastructure projects, sparking local protests. Would you like me to go into more detail on the specific terms of the Ukraine-Russia peace documents or the latest results from the Australian Open?